My dear ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students, I'm going to talk about the career, which is a very creative one. That's nothing but architect. How to become an architect? If you are a person possessing a lot of creativity, then you are right person to choose this career architect. And you have huge scope for this career, and you can also be really happy involving yourself in this creative job. Let us dive into this career details. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the career as an architect. And architecture is a profession that is ever changing and evolving, and a career as an architect has immense scope in India. An architect is someone one cannot only work on designing and construction of houses and business establishments, but one can also enter in various fields of designing sites of exhibitions and sports events, creating unique lighting systems, designing landscapes, etc. And an architect can learn the process of construction of complexes, commercial buildings, malls, highways, construction, and civil construction by applying their innovative ideas and analytical skills. And if you see about an architect, a job of an architect requires meeting with clients to determine the objectives and requirements for these structures, direct workers who prepare drawings and documents, prepare structure specifications, and manage construction contracts and prepare scaled drawings either with computer software or by hand. So these are all the jobs of an architect. And how do you become an architect? What is the eligibility for becoming an architect? For diploma courses, after clearing your class 10 exams, candidates can apply for engineering diploma, and 10+2 is the minimum requirement for other diploma courses. And for BR, candidates must have 50% aggregate marks in board exams and must have completed class 12 with mathematics and English as compulsory subjects. And candidates who have completed 3-year diploma after class 10 are eligible to apply for BR course, and most of the colleges also require candidates to clear architecture entrance exams such as JEE Main, JEE Advanced, and NATA. And for PG and doctoral degrees, these courses, candidates must have completed the Bachelor in Architecture, and candidates are also required to pass PG entrance exams like GATE and SEED. And let us now see the types of roles of an architect. So architecture job roles are plenty, and one is the construction manager. They are responsible for the planning, development, and coordination of construction projects, and they may be owners of a company or salaried contractors of a larger firm. And also the architectural engineer. So they plan a layout of buildings design by applying knowledge of engineering forms, ventilation, lighting, structural systems, and building codes. And architectural managers, the architectural and engineering managers plan, direct, and coordinate activities in engineering and architectural companies. And civil engineers, they design, conceive, build, operate, supervise, construct, and maintain infrastructural projects and systems in the public and private sector, including roads, airports, buildings, tunnels, bridges, dams, etc. And construction managers plan, supervise, fix the budget, and coordinate construction projects from start to finish. And construction and building inspectors, they ensure the construction meets local and national building codes and ordinances, zoning regulations, and contract specifications. And then the industrial designers, they consider the function, aesthetics, production cost, and usability of products when developing new product concepts, and they develop the concepts for manufactured products such as cars, home appliances, and toys. And then the landscape architects, they design parks and the outdoor spaces of businesses, campuses, recreational facilities, private homes, and other open areas. And interior decorators, my God, I love this job. They estimate material requirements and costs and present design to client for approval. They select or design and purchase furnishings, artworks, and accessories, and they make interior spaces functional and beautiful by determining space requirements and selective decorative items such as colors, lighting, and materials. And now let us see the employment sector or the industry for architects. The variety of employment opportunities like corporate businesses, teaching, MNCs, consulting firms, engineering firms, product manufacturing, building safety, architectural, photography, etc. So the top companies recruiting architects are these: Architect, Haviz Contractor, Kembavi Architecture Foundation, Shilpa Architects, CP Kukreja Associates, Manchanda Associates, Oscar Ponni Architects, Architecture Bureau, VSA Design, Space Design, Chitra Vishwanath Architects, DLF, Edifies Architects, MIS Architect Consultants, Jindals, Larsen & Toubro, Jones and Sahara Group, and many more. And the pay scale, if you see, the aspirants willing to pursue architecture course should have right set of books in order to achieve good results in various entrance exams conducted for the architectural course, and a good amount of salary is reasonable salary is being paid for the architects. And this is what is the career path to become an architect. So after the 12th physics, chemistry, maths, they take UG BArch on PG BArch and become an architect, or 12th physics, chemistry, maths, do an UG BArch and become an architect, and 12th physics, chemistry, maths, UG BTech also become an architect, and 12th physics, chemistry, maths, UG BTech and MTech, and you become an architect. So what a wonderful career for people who are so creative, and like a lot of new innovative structures are coming in, and really we are waiting for a lot of budding engineers or budding architecture engineers who become architects and create wonderful structures all over the world. Stay blessed. This is a wonderful opportunity for me to introduce you all the creative careers. Stay blessed.